A very easy way to know how to change gears. So from first gear to second gear, from second to third, from third to fourth. Most of the time, changing gear from second to third, the people find a bit tricky to change from second to third. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So remember the palming method. So the reason why it says the palming method, so you have to hold the gear. So in other words, don't just do it with one or two fingers because your hands can slip. So the palming method, and then you change gears. Push it towards the left door and then up. Bring it straight down in straight line. To change it to third gear, you have to bring it neutral, and remember it will find its mid position, center point, and it's pointing right at third gear, so all you have to do is push it up. That's third gear. And the same thing, you don't have to bring it to center or neutral, you just can go straight down. That's fourth gear. To change it to fifth gear, you have to bring it to center point, neutral, and then push towards to the driver's side door or towards yourself, and then up. That's fifth gear. Select the reverse gear, so you will have to come back to neutral or the center point. Remember we talked about. So do this. It's neutral, and then you go. Remember the palming method still applies. So towards yourself or to the right, and then go down. So now you're in reverse gear. To come back out from reverse gear, to go into neutral, so all you have to do is you will hear this click that's gonna find itself the center point or neutral. Don't forget to like and subscribe.